Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to discuss about work-life balance. Hmm, do you think this kind of issue is important? I think yes, it is important, but not, it doesn't necessarily to do overthinking about it. So here are my viewpoint, my standpoint between work and life balance. Here we are. The first one I have to talk to you. For me, balance doesn't mean equal or evenly, which is 50% of my time to my family, 50% of my time for my job. Not like that. Even if, moreover, it's not also the quantity. For instance, you spend 1 hours on the on your office, and then you should spend another 1 hour for your family. Not like that. Uh, that's not my perspective. What I believe is the quality how we spend the time on our for our works or for our families. Make sure you be present. So if you have kids like me, I have 3 kids. When I talk with them, when I play with them, I'm trying. It's not really easy. Of course, it's not really easy. It's not so easy because I am a businessman. Every day, every second, my mind always thinking about my businesses, and I'm trying to be present on to when I spend my time with my children. What is be present? Be present, which is uh, put out your phone. Okay, don't don't talk with your children. Still texting your colleague or anything, and make sure you engage, play with your children. Let's say you play football, let's say you play what is it, you play video game. Make sure you purely engage with them. So the first one, what I think about work-life balance: make sure you be present not only to your families but also in your office. Make sure you be present. And then secondly, what my standpoint about work-life balance is the quality about meaningful time. For instance, I would rather to spend, if I got excess money or I've got my bonus, I think, or anything, I have more money, I will trying to find a time that's really meaningful. Go to holiday, go to vacation, or find some stuff that meaningful for our son, meaningful for my wife. That's how work-life balance. Let's say you work 8 hours per day or 40 hours maybe per week. Make sure the money you get, uh, you buy something meaningful for your kids, your wife. That's the quality of work-life balance. That's it, guys. I hope you could get insight with my standpoint. You have right to disagree with me. Please put on the comment below. What do you think about work-life balance? Please put on the comment below. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.